Excel for HR. Let's look at today function. The today function is a date and time function in Excel that does not require any arguments. It simply returns the current date based on your computer's system clock. The today function can be used to automatically update dates by making it easier to keep a track of time-sensitive events. This function can be used for date tracking, such as onboarding, probation confirmations, performance reviews, or even tracking training time schedules. You can also use this function for age calculation. This function can be used in combination with the birth date to automatically calculate the age of an employee. You can use this function to monitor deadlines for tasks, certificate completions, or even compliance requirements. Leave management is another area where you can use the today function. Simply type this command on an Excel and press enter. If you have a birth date of an employee in a cell and want to calculate the age, you could simply follow these steps. This would give you the age in days. You can divide by 365 to get the age in years. Remember that the today function is dynamic and it will keep updating every day when the sheet is recalculated. Stay tuned for more tips on Excel for HR professionals.